Char! Sige, sige. I-invite natin siya. Jolly.
Yeah. Right now, reverse that car, girl, I'm bucking right now. Climb on the standard rail, pick and handle it, beat that cat up when it's down, put it down. Let's make a movie, girl, I do the shooting camera in my left, put your hand in my right. Water keep dripping while I let it spike. Sex is a drug, well, let's enjoy this high. No time to make love it. You screaming, you want it. Girl, you looking at
Baka maka-copyright ka. Bakit? Bakit ito mga copyright? Bakit?
So please come and ride me. When I'm deep inside you, you going crazy.
Sa music? Talaga ba? Hindi yan. Parang masaya yung live natin. Sleep well, Grace. Panag-hi ka, mag-review na ako. Hi! Sino dito din ang favorite ang ice cream pang dessert katulad ko? Type 1, type 1. Ay, sarap ng ice cream, no? Paborito ko yun, yung ice cream na yun. Specific yung ice cream na yun na may almond. Kada gabi nakain ako nun. At saka tuwing busog na busog ako, tapos kailangan ko ng ano, ng dessert, yun talaga kinakain ko. May tinatanong yung teammate ko. Tinype niya pa sa phone niya. Tatanong ko sa inyo. Sino dito ang favorite ang ice cream kapag pagod? Ganun kasi kami pag pagod kami. Nag-ice cream kami. Di lang fave housemate kita sa BBB. Ah, ito ba? Thank you.
Kiss it, baby. Tell me when you really, really miss me, baby. Sex is a sport you can picture, baby. Gotta take my time when I'm in it, baby. Okay, only if you with it, baby. Take it to an inch since I kissed him, baby. My sex drive at all time, high beat it up, but I promise I won't get it, baby. Girl, just tell me how you want it. I got good my back, but tonight you on top of this phone. Breathing hard, you got me sweating. I'm trying to eat you for breakfast, eat you for lunch and dinner if you let me. I'm trying to give you what you really miss, yeah. I wanna feel you taking my hand right now. Ain't gonna waste no time, baby. Like a honey, no, we ain't got your back to your friends the way you ride. Like a rodeo, ride like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of my hand right now. Ain't gonna waste no time, baby. Like a honey, no, we ain't got your back to your friends the way you ride.
Ngayong, kailan ba yan? 2 days na po ako nagte-training ulit sa team, sa volleyball team namin. And bukas, yun ulit ganap ko, training. Kayo, ano pinagkakabalahan nyo? Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Hi Lexi, sorry hindi ko napapansin agad. Hello mga Daxies. Hello guys, yung mga Daxis, pumunta yan sa sa Enchanted Kingdom nung pumunta kami doon. Sa promo nung And the Breadwinner is. Sobrang appreciated ko sila all the way from Bataan. Maraming salamat po. Diba ang kanta ko doon is Umuwi Ka Na Baby. Ngayon dito kumakanta is Bini, huwag muna tayong umuwi daw. Huwag muna umuwi, nasa bahay. Kinakabahan na ba ka? Gusto mo nang umalis? Superman JDJ Trio. Hindi po kasi kami natuloy eh. Hindi natuloy yung ganap nung kahapon. Kaya hindi kami nakapag Superman Challenge. Sa iyong tabi. Dito pa yung bulaklak ko. Bray, paabot ako ng bulaklak. Mga Daxis na nandun. Opya. Alam nyo guys, never ako nakatanggap ng bulaklak. Noong nag-PBB ako, doon lang ako nakatanggap ng bulaklak. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kaya punong-puno na po. Siguro pag kung yung mga bulaklak na niregalo nyo sa akin, tsaka itong mga roses na niregalo nyo sa akin dito sa TikTok live, siguro meron akong garden. Kinakabahan na ba ka? Gusto mo nang umalis? Tayo sasabihin Ako'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito muna. Bias sa Bini. Madami na sila eh. Pero sige, dalawa na lang. Si Bini Mika tsaka si Bini Joanna, of course. Let's go, Jo! Woo! May mga bias ko sa Bini. Kayo, sinong bias nyo? Comment down below. Babasahin natin. Ikaw ang bias ko. Eh, paano yan? Hindi ako Bini eh. Bini D. Bini D. Sino bias sa Bini? Ako nga binigay sa iba. Sakit nun. Oh, si Aya, ang bias nyo. Bini Jazz. PBB yan, hindi naman Bini eh. Loko niya ako Gwen and Colette. Mikaya, oh, let's go. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off. I am getting so hot. Maloy and Mika. Panahin daw kaking conception, kuya. Sige, see you. Continue natin yung ano dito, yung this or that. Para mas mabilis. Kasi alam nyo bakit na naisip ko magpa this or that. Na-miss ko lang kasi ako yung nagpapalaro ng this or that sa PBB nun eh. Sa loob ng bahay. Pagka wala akong magawa, nagpapa-this or that ako. So, ang unang this or that. Pero wala na tong ano, iba-ibang category na to. Beach or mountains? Beach or mountains? Mountains and Dilet official. Wow. Beach, sino nag-send most beach? Oh.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick.
Trivia guys, ang mahilig talaga sa mountains sa amin, si Rain. Mahilig siya sa mountains.
We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions.
Alam mo, pagka nag-umpisa kasi kami ng ganito sa veranda nun, ng this or that, edi syempre madudugtungan ng mga kwento, ganyan, kung anong yung mga experience. Nakakamiss din, nag-visualize kami ng mga bagay-bagay kami nila Rain, nila Jazz, nila Kai, Jaren, kami sa veranda. Ayun. Kahit sila ano, Binsoy, sila Fiam, sila Jaya. Actually lahat eh. Tapos mapag-uusapan pa yung yacht party. Kung naalala nyo sa mga nanonood dyan, pinag-uusapan pa yung yacht party, ganyan. Nakakamiss din pala yung bahay ni Kuya. Yung buhay doon. Man couldn't sell out his show after all them years of doing a cat sprinter. 2 gal in a van, in up. 2 man in my line heard one of my things dating. P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags. Outside, my head in my hands. I told her my name is Sim. She said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran for that diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. Na-miss ko na talaga yung ano ko, yung camera.
But a girl's Brazilian. I want her. I bro wants her affiliate. I'm cheap.
Parang gusto ko na siya paglaro ulit. Video. Sige, game. Ang next ay
Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex. Alright. This ain't stainless steel, it's platinum. Dinner table, I got manners.
burger or pasta?
Still loading, that's the caption. I've only amounted.
Pagkain naman, burger or pasta?
Indigestion. There's snow in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. Dave just came in at Aston, I'm making that Maybach music. They're trying to insult my intelligence sometimes.
Daming pasta at burger. Hati lang eh, no? Hirap din talagang pagpilian. Pero kung pasta, anong favorite pasta nyo? Spaghetti or carbonara or pesto?
Brown and bad, could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
Pesto, spaghetti, oh. Carbonara.
Somebody rescue me, I got too many, I got, they could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright. That send the address through, please. Fire for a wife beater, can't rock with that, I ain't wearing a vest. Man have to send her therapy, she got an E-cup bra, a lot on her chest. I'm in Jamaica, Orica best. Hit a lick when cash converters, that don't work, it's porno chest. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with broke bitches, man, but one flight and they're all impressed.
Di anong posisyon mo sa volleyball? Setter po, at motivator. Ako nagmo-motivate ng bawat isa. At ako yung teammate ko dito naglilinis na siya.
baby blue, papers pink, I probably hate me too. You ever spent 6 figures and stared at bail like, look what you made me do. Yeah. Started with a queue, didn't wait in line. Weird, I'm asking my Blasian one, why you so focused on your Asian son? I know that the Jack...
Ano favorite midnight snack nyo? Burger din ba? Tsaka pasta? Burger and fries and everything? And everything nice? For one moment, and it's too short, too hard.
Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Hit the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and
Sleep na kayo.
sounds. I done came back around like a nigga selling crack in pounds. I got a bag now, but it's nothing to brag about. Gun blast in the background, I'm a black man with the bloodhounds. Mac 10 making love sounds to a bad chick. She from uptown, I'm from down south.
Mag-review ka na para ma-perfect mo exam mo, di ba?
Why you do me indubitably? I feel like I'm a bust now. I feel like a bust down. When I shine bright, blind niggas is up now. In the cut, big black truck, pack sacked up. You can pick it up now, nigga. Fuck it, okay. Push the fucking pack off of the porch or break a pound down. Hit the scrap if it happen to blow, it makes a round sounds. Pussy cat on my lap, push it back and go to town down. Putting rap on my back and I'm black and snatching crowns.
Dylan, keep on dancing. Oo naman, pinangako ko din yan sa sarili ko tsaka kay Kai. Nung pumasok ako yun, ayaw ko rin sumasayo. Pero bahala na ako. Basta gagalingan ko na lagi.
Hit from the back, she giving me slurp, and I ain't even pull my pants down. Jump in the box and slide to the other side, it's always a man down.
Kuya, may pasok pa bukas. Matulog na kayo kung may pasok kayo bukas.
Even I smoke so long, they don't even wanna talk no more, they just run down. No lock doors, I serve with a chop. Bitch got spent, she was hanging with a op. We call him Mickey, talk to the car.
Oo, enjoy lang, diba? Kasi kahit ano naman gawin mo sa pang-araw-araw mo, guys, ang pinaka-importante talaga is nag-e-enjoy ka at masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Kasi yun din naman ang purpose ng buhay, di ba? Maging masaya ka, maging masaya yung puso mo, maging fulfilled ka. After nun, syempre kasi, di ba, yung iba sabihin gusto ko matupad pangarap ko. Bakit? Para sumaya. So, ang ultimate goal is para maging happy, genuinely. So, yun.
Shit in the bag, if you looking for the dope, niggas got it in the bag, cause we trapping on the low. And I'm the shit with the flow. Give me a joke. Heard the niggas say that you the next. No.
Kuya, anong advice mo sa baguhang volleyball player? Isa lang ma-advise ko. Mag-training ka na mag-training and enjoyin mo yung proseso. Walang lumalakas or gumagaling ng overnight. Kahit anong naman eh. Kahit anong sport, kahit anong field, process yan. Hindi yan instant noodles, hindi yan pancit canton na after 20 minutes magaling ka na pag pinakuluan mo. So, araw-araw na sipag yan, sakripisyo and disiplina. So, yun. Lahat yun, way of life eh. Para ma-improve mo yung sarili mo sa field na gusto mong tahakin. Ganun talaga eh. Sino dito yung mga katulad ko na madaming passion in life? Kasi ako considered na madami eh for me. Kasi yung passion ko talaga is mag-volleyball at maging artista. Ibang klaseng ano din eh, journey of ibang klaseng life journey din talaga. Pero walang susuko sa pamilyan to kasi pinangarap natin to eh. Pag nagawa mong maging pangarap, kayang-kaya mo din makamit yun kasi pinangarap mo nga eh. It's just a matter of believing sa pangarap mo and actions. I'm gonna hold out a level.
Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fucking girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't
Kuya, ikaw, inspiration ko sa volleyball. Oh, thank you. Maglaro ka lagi. And mag-enjoy ka lagi sa paglalaro. Enjoy mo din yung process. Lalo na pag medyo nagda-doubt ka or nahihirapan ka. Naku, huwag ka susuko. Kahit marami na din. Minsan kasi, may mag-discourage mo sa'yo, huwag ka na maglaro, ganyan. It's either pabiro man yan or sinasabi ng totoo for some reason. Kung talagang gusto mo isang bagay, huwag mo susukuan. Promise. Pag sinukuhan mo, wala na. Alam mo na yung resulta. Pero kung hindi mo sinukuhan ng isang bagay, who knows, diba? Baka ikaw na ang next phenom. Happy birthday. Hindi balik mo hair mo. We'll see. Naka-live din po si Rain. Really? Ito ba? Oo nga, no. Naka-live nga si Rain. Yeah. Invite ko. Hindi ko siya ma-invite though. Invitation off nakalagay. Kung gusto mo, kung gusto nyo, make a heart sign. You know. Paturo mag-set D. Basta bubukan nyo lang yung daliri nyo. Silalagay nyo yung kamay nyo sa noo. Tapos pagdating ng bola, ngitian nyo at sabihin nyo, I love you. Char! I love you. Do you love wearing gray? Yes, I love wearing gray, black, and whites. And olive or green or basta yung ganong kulay. Neutral.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay. Hitman in a top try, see a man topless, even a stick is gay.
Plain colors, yes. Okay guys, I need to go. It was nice talking to you, to all of you. Good night and maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Favorite number ko is number 8. Kobe. When kayo pupunta sa Bohol, hindi ko alam pero hopefully soon. Gusto ko talagang mapuntahan lahat ng magagandang lugar dito sa Pilipinas at syempre lahat ng magagandang lugar dito sa mundo. Lahat ng bansa. Okay guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye.